Hi there, Sarah from Mason here. Are you struggling to convert your Shopify store visitors into paying customers? Well, say hello to ModeMagic, the ultimate conversion OS for your online store. You may remember when ModeMagic was just a badge app. Now, we've grown into a suite of powerful tools designed to turn browsers into buyers by boosting conversion rates, increasing average order value, and reducing cart abandonment. Imagine being able to convert visitors to leads with personalized quizzes and welcome incentives, or boosting your add to cart rates by highlighting the right product, feature, or bundle at the right time. Our 30+ carefully curated playbooks, team of growth experts, and easy-to-use features are designed to help you increase sales and grow your business faster than ever before. So, add some magic to your Shopify store today. Try ModeMagic for free and watch your online sales soar.